Hi guys, so we're gonna transform Dropkick to a helicopter, and I'll tell you the names of these Decepticons. So this is Dropkick and this is Blitzwing. Now I'll show you how to transform Dropkick. First, see this back part? You have to put this up and make sure the head is closed and you don't see it. Second, you have to pick the Blitzwing up and turn it, twist it like that. Now you have to do this and then do the same thing. Twist, put it there, and then put the part like that. Now you have to squeeze it now you have to put it together. Now you have to put it together and then put these here. See those holes? You have to put the foot in there. Now you have to squeeze it up there like that. Now you have to do this. See that hole? And see that part? You have to put it like that. Well, if it's hard for you, if this part is hard for me from a long time ago because it was straight. Now I couldn't did it. But do you see that arch? See that arch? And see that wheel? It's round, but it's just doing half of it. And then see the weapons? And do you see that hole? And do you see that part? You have to put it like that and do the same thing to the other side. Last, you have to put the thingy like this part like that, and then now you're done.